Hello, my name is Jaideep Singh and the name of my class is CMPT376W. The target audience will be high school students and the title of my video is demonstrating loops using Python turtle graphics. So today we're going to talk about a very fundamental concept of programming, that is loops. Before starting this video, I want to mention that variables are a very important part of loops, and this 3-minute video from Khan Academy covers the concept of variables from scratch. So I encourage you guys to watch the video if you haven't before. Have you guys ever been to the airport and seen the conveyor belt? Or have you guys ever been on a roller coaster? I feel like the most thrilling part about a roller coaster is the action of it going up, down and in circles. And we can also call this loops. The roller coaster keeps on going in circles till the ride is finished. And I believe it has 3 components. So the start component occurs when the operator of the roller coaster ride presses the start button. The action on the roller coaster is its action of the roller coaster going up, down and in circles. And the termination condition, which means that the roller coaster ride will terminate once the ride time is met. So the loop ends when the termination condition is met. Similarly, in programming, loops are a set of instructions that repeat themselves until a certain condition is met. So similar to the example that I explained earlier about roller coaster, the loops also have 3 components. The start one, they start with a value. Action is the action that the code performs inside the loop. And the termination condition, this is the condition which drives the loop, and the loop finishes as soon as the termination condition is met. So now we're going to demonstrate loops using Python turtle graphics. So we are going to be making a very simple square using turtle graphics, using loops in turtle graphics. So the first thing we're going to do is define the start value of the variable x, which is going to be 0. Then in the while loop over here, we have 4 as a termination condition, which means that the loop is going to terminate when the value of x reaches 4. We're taking 4 as the value over here because the square has 4 sides. The next thing we're going to do is define the action. These 2 lines define the action. So the turtle cursor will move forward for a length of 100 and then turn right at an angle of 90 degrees. And at every iteration, the value of x is going to increase by 1. So this is how we make a simple square using loops and turtle graphics. To conclude this video, I want to give you guys an exercise. Can you think of a way to modify this code over here to make a rectangle instead of a square? Let me know.